Mullen Automotive sitting at 21 cents at the time of this video during the trading day, down 6.3%. But you can see here another day where Mullen Automotive is one of the top 10 most traded stocks on the market. We can see here Mullen, the third most traded stock here today, 178 million trades in trading volume today. Just absolutely massive trading volume for Mullen Automotive. It's up a little bit slightly after hours here, but again, I'm going to continue to update you guys on everything going on with Mullen MULN stock. You guys let me know in the comments below how you guys are personally feeling about Mullen Automotive. Obviously, for myself, extremely bullish here on Mullen stock long term. Again, remind you guys, this is a long term play. Keep that in mind. But let's get right into this update. Two things. So both of these investor focus articles, I think, have some very valid information here. So dear Mullen stock fans, mark your calendars for March 7th, about 10-15 days away from that. Bollinger Motors will showcase its B4 chassis cab at Work Truck Week 2023, and Bollinger Motors is a company that Mullen acquired 60% of controlling interest in last September of 2022, right? So this is very interesting. I think has some possible positive catalysts here, for Mullen stock specifically. So you can see here Mullen, shareholders of Mullen stock will soon get a first-hand look at subsidiary Bollinger Motors B4 chassis cab as the electric truck, which you can see here looks pretty cool, right? Definitely looks like something you have yet to see on the streets before, which I think provides value for shareholders here. They're gonna It's gonna be displayed at the Work Truck Week 2023, sponsored by the Association for Work Truck Industry. The event will kick off March 7th and conclude March 10th. Ford, Workhorse, and Isuzu Motors will all be present as well, including Bollinger Motors here. Again, this is a picture of what it kind of looks like. With a payload of 7,000 pounds and a range of 185 miles, the B4 seeks to make a dent in the commercial trucking industry, right? For commercial workforce, commercial truck workforce, things like that. So this is absolutely massive in my opinion. Definitely something to keep an eye on, right? And then the other thing here is the Mullen stock. Mullen's balance sheet hides an uphill battle. So this is kind of what we had been alluding to in the previous two Mullen videos, how there are just some things on the balance sheet and just some things with the financials that do kind of make it tough to really get extremely excited here about Mullen. So you can see here when Mullen released its Q1 results on February 14th, traditional investors might have felt a pang of despair. The zero revenue electric vehicle firm lost another 376 million in a single quarter, an impressive feat for a firm worth only 400 million on public markets. Corporate governance watchdogs would also have balked. CEO David Mickery and other offers were awarded $36 million in stock compensation for that performance. An incredible payday for a firm that has yet to build a single production vehicle of its own, right? We talked about this in the previous video. The CEO did get a massive bonus, for a company that didn't show any sort of profits in Q1 of 2023. But against all odds, you can see here, the electric vehicle startup continues to exist. Mullen continues to trend on Reddit and StockTwits, and Mr. Mickery remains adept at raising money to stave off bankruptcy. Much like Will Ferrell's character in Anchorman, I'm actually not even mad because what Mullen is doing is nothing short of amazing, right? So you can see here, Mullen has also been active in debt markets. Its latest deal raised another 150 million in notes as an incredible feat given its already Byzantine shareholder structure. Concessions involved a 10-cent conversion floor price, 15% interest rates, and free warrants exercisable at 185% of the common stock price, just in case stock prices go up after the first exercise. So essentially, between 2006 and 2010, Tesla used almost 400 million in cash while generating less than 150 million dollars in revenue, and Rivian did the same thing, going through 8 billion in 3 short years. Building a new car factory is expensive, and Mullen has decided to go that route, knowing the risks. So obviously, it's not like the worst thing in the world, right, to be showing no revenue and for these orders to not really be coming in and not happening yet, because like I've talked about from the beginning here with Mullen Automotive, this is a long-term play here, you guys. Extremely long-term here. You can see here, venture capital investors have long understood the importance to fake it till you make it. Startups can often require billions in funding. Only the most self-assured entrepreneurs have a shot at keeping impatient creditors at bay. Amazon took 6 years as a public company to first turn a profit. Tesla needed 10. So keep that in mind, you guys, with Mullen Automotive here. The trading volume continues to go absolutely insane here. We're taking a look at, let's just refresh this, right? 178 million since I started this video. It's probably going to be close to 178, 300 this video here. Tons and tons of hands being traded here on Mullen Automotive MULN stock. You guys keep that in mind. Again, and also let me know in the comments below how you guys feel about Mullen Automotive stock. Drop a like on this video, hit that subscribe button, and as always, you guys have a great day.